What if I told you that professional grade CNC plasma cutting could fit right into your workshop? Meet the Eastwood Versa-Cut 5x5 CNC table, packed with features you'd find on industrial machines, sized perfectly for small shops and professional fabricators. This is the precision metal cutting that turns your workshop into a profit center. Whether you're ready to start your own fabrication business, a professional builder creating custom work, or an established shop looking to level up your capabilities, this table is your gateway to precision plasma cutting. If you've ever traced a template with a handheld plasma cutter and thought, there's got to be a better way, well, this is it right here. If you can't wait to learn more about the product, check it out at the link in the description. All right, let's dive in. This is where things get interesting. That 5 foot by 5 foot cutting area, it's not just big, it's smart. You can cut diagonally across the entire table, giving you the ability to slice through parts up to 84 inches long without needing a full 8 foot by 4 foot table. Floor pans for a 67 Mustang? No problem. Custom brackets for a rock crawler? Easy. A complete set of mounting tabs for a turbo build? Done in a matter of minutes. But size means nothing without accuracy. This beast features a high-precision rack-and-pinion drive system with stepper motors, delivering movement accuracy within 0.2 millimeters. That's less than the thickness of 2 sheets of paper. And when you're cutting, you're looking at 0.5 millimeters of cutting accuracy. Translation? Your parts fit together the first time, every time. That means no wasted material, no recuts, and happy clients who come back with more work. Now here's what separates this table from the rest of the pack. Automatic torch height control, or THC. With most budget tables, you'd be on your own. THC is constantly monitoring arc voltage and adjusting the torch height in real time to compensate for warped metal, uneven surfaces, and material variations. It's like having a master fabricator's hand guiding every single cut. Speaking of ease of use, this table doesn't need to be tethered to a computer to work. The CNC cut controller is a complete standalone system. It comes preloaded with 50 common shapes that you can dimension and cut right from the screen. Circles, rectangles, brackets, gussets, all ready to go at the press of a button. But how about when clients ask for custom work? Design your parts in Fusion 360, export the G-code to a USB drive, plug it in, and get to cutting. No complicated setup, no computer crashing mid-cut, just reliable, repeatable results. Now let's talk about power. This table is compatible with both the Eastwood Versa-Cut 40 amp and 60 amp CNC plasma cutters, which means you can tackle everything from thin 20 gauge sheet metal all the way up to 3/8 inch steel plate. With the optional machine torch, you're getting consistent, professional cuts that a handheld torch just can't match. From 1/16 inch precision work to thick steel fabrication, this table can handle anything your business throws at it. And don't think that we forgot about the details. The included waterbed drastically reduces warping, keeping your metal cool, and cuts down on spark and fumes. Limit switches prevent those heart-stopping crashes, and the LED front panel gives that extra little bit of style. These are features that competitors charge extra for, or don't offer at all, but they're standard here. But here's the best part. This table ships ready to assemble right to your door. Everything you need is in the box, all hardware, all components. No hunting for missing bolts or last-minute trips to the hardware store. Just clear your shop, grab a buddy to help with the heavy lifting, and you'll be cutting metal in no time. At the end of the day, you could spend $10,000 or more on an industrial CNC plasma table, or you could get professional-grade features, precision, and capability in a package that actually fits your business and your budget. Now, we've told you a lot about this table. Let's take a break and show you a quick little project. All right guys, we talked through all the features and benefits of the CNC table. Now we're gonna actually get into some projects. We got Nick here. Nick is our CNC master here at Eastwood. He's the one who's behind developing all of our CNC tables. And he's gonna walk us through how to set up a project on the machine and how to actually make a cut. All right, Nick, so what are we cutting today?
We're gonna be cutting a fire pit. We've got it nested in Fusion, and I got the file here ready to cut.
All right, so it's loaded up. Do we need to run a test area or anything to make sure that this is gonna fit on the table?
Yeah, so we'll do a frame test to make sure that we have enough space on our plate before we actually start cutting. To frame, we're gonna come over here to manual move. And then first I'm gonna move the torch to my bottom left corner on the plate to keep this nice and tight. That looks pretty good. All right, now I'm where I want to be, so we can hit the frame button. And this will run around the perimeter and show us exactly how large our part is going to end up overall. It's always a good idea to do this before each cut so you don't run into a travel limit or run off your plate. All right, now we go ahead and start cutting.
All right, now this came out great. Mentioned before, this is a fire pit that we're building. It's a little hexagon design. Cuts look fantastic. Everything went smooth. Next up would be to weld this together. We're probably gonna save that for another video. Might do some welding, some high temp paint, but couldn't be happier. Now we're gonna have a fire pit and about 15 minutes of cutting and probably another hour of welding. Can't beat that. Guys, if you want more information on the 5x5 CNC tables or any of the other sizes we sell, like the 4x8, the 2x2, or the 4x4, you can click the link down in the description. Until then, see you next time. Man, these look good.